It's your girl Nisha back with another vlog. It is literally the next day, which is Tuesday. So got up this morning and I got a text message from Ikea saying that the shelves were back in stock. So if you know anything about Ikea and the pack system, the pieces sell out really fast. So you get notifications, you can sign up for notifications so that when certain pieces come back in stock, you can just go get them. So when I saw that, I hurry up, jumped up, got dressed, and ran down there to get the shelves and a couple more drawers. Matter of fact, 4. And when I got home, I realized I had a delivery. So let me unbox it. So I got these white sheets for the bed from Lifewit as a promotion, and they're king size, and it comes with, of course, the fitted sheet, the flat sheet, and I want to say 2 pillowcases. Yeah, so let me see what they feel like. They're supposed to have really deep pockets, which is great because my bed has that thick mattress, and the ones that I had bought from, like, ooh, these are soft. They're really soft. Ooh, I like them. They feel good. Oh, wow. So yeah, like I had got the ones from At Home, and the pockets are not deep. So they kind of come up sometimes on the sides, which I hate, so I'm constantly tucking. But anyway, I'm gonna throw these in the washer so I can put them on my bed. And while they're washing, I am going to get back to this closet so I can go and get my nails done because I'm back to work tomorrow. So let's just get to it. Before I forget, so you see your girl looking a bit of a hot mess. I need to wash my hair today and still trying to figure out what's gonna happen to it. But anyway, as I was in line at Ikea looking like this, I ran into a subscriber. Her name is Francesca Jeanette. So if you're watching, hey girl, hey. All right, so let me go upstairs, throw these in the washer and get started on this closet. All right. All right, guys, so I literally just finished putting all 4 of the drawers together and installing them on this last pack system. And I have all of the shelves right here. So I'm going to start figuring out where I want to place them. I bought 10 because, like I said, they sell out very quickly. So I'm going to start installing these shelves and figure out where I want to put them and go from there. All right.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Okay, so this is what the closet is looking like at this point. The shelves are in. I put those there just for reference. And over here is Dante's side. With the reference, again, he got an extra shelf because he wants to put hoodies and whatever up there, whatever he's gonna do. But either way, that's what we're looking like. So now the plan is I need to go to Lowe's to get the rest of the supplies. So this will have, these shelves will be moved over to the corner. I'm going to put another one of these there. Pull these over, probably put another one here or whatever there to just anchor it to make sure that it's nice and solid. So those will move over to the corner. There will be a rod here and there, and possibly like a shelf on top of there. So, and then the same thing over here, where there is this pack system, there will be two racks, clothing rods or whatever, and then hopefully 2 shelves. I'm gonna see if I can get Lowe's to cut the wood for me and then go from there. And then we'll be wrapping this project up. But for now, I need to go and get my nails done because I'm back to work tomorrow. So yeah, and then I need to come home and I need to wash my hair and figure that out for the next 2 days. I'm off again on Friday. So it just kind of depends on how I feel when I finish getting my nails done, whether or not I'm gonna go to Lowe's and get the final products to finish this closet. We'll see. Or if not, it'll be Friday when I'm off, and that's when I hope to wrap it up. So I'll check back in with you guys in just a bit. All right, guys, so I just got back from getting my nails done and decided to go ahead and stop at Lowe's since it was kind of on the same street coming home. I got pretty much everything I need minus 1 shelf. It's not a big deal. Only reason I didn't get it is because they didn't have it at the location that I was at, and I was just like, I'm not about to go to the other Lowe's. That's definitely would have had me stuck in rush hour traffic. So I'm about to muster up as much energy as I can find and see what I can get accomplished tonight. Because once again, I still need to wash my hair for work tomorrow. I'm currently doing laundry and I need to probably eat some dinner too. But either way, I'm about to see what I can get done tonight. All right, I'll check back in just a bit. Okay, guys, so I'm back. First, clothing shelf is in, as well as the hanging rod. I hung 2 things there just so I can put for a reference to put the second one, as you can see. And I'm about to go ahead and get started so I can probably wrap it up for tonight. All right, here we go. Whoo, child. I can finally see the finish line. Lord, this has been a freaking project and a half. And you can't tell me now that I ain't Bob. Boy, I tell you. I done built the freaking walk-in master closet, like literally. Yep, I'm looking a mess, y'all. But it's okay. Because I'm tired, I'm sweaty, and I'm ready to be done. But anyway, so I just need to put that shelf up. But I think I'm going to need to cut it. So let me get to it so I can be done. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I am going to, like, this shelf is a little taller than this. But I think to make it look better, I think I'm going to go from this shelf over to here, because I feel like if I put it up there, it's gonna go across and sit up there. And I think that's gonna be tacky. So I think I'm gonna go from here to here. And then once I get the other shelf, when they come in stock, then I'll figure it out. But at this point, I think I'm going to go from here to here. Yeah, that seems like the better plan. All right, I'll be back. Hey y'all, so it is like probably midnight, but I am done. I cannot believe this. I am speechless right now. I have built a freaking closet. Not just any closet, a custom closet all by myself in a matter of days, okay? When I tell you I am like looking crazy but speechless at the same time, because the way my mind is set up, when I start something, I don't know how to stop. Like, I think about it, I'm dreaming about it, and I don't know how to leave it alone until it's done. So that is exactly what I did. And now I need to show y'all. So drum roll, please. Y'all, I am like speechless, okay? And I got to use my circular saw. Cut once, baby. Yes, I measured about 4 or 5 times, but baby, I did it. And it was the perfect cut, because this shelf right here, see how it's right up against there? I cut that. Yep. Me. And I stayed on budget. I did not go over $1,500, and I still have a few things that I need to take back to the store. So I did that. Only difference is that I'm not sure about. I'm going to wait until Dante comes over. I want to see if he wants another shelf and rack right here, because he has the closet in his man cave that he can use. So it's completely up to him. And if he does, then I still will be on budget if I go and get another one of these, because I do have another rod. I just don't have another shelf. So that shelf was like $20. So I did that. All right. So since I still have all this energy, and yes, I still need to wash my hair, but I'm going to start putting some clothes in here just to kind of see how it looks, and then I'll let you guys see. All right, I'll be back. I was telling you all earlier about the sheet set, the bed set that I got from Lifewit, and how soft it was. So I just took it out the washer and out the dryer, and put it on the bed. And when I tell you, this bedding is still just as soft and nice as it was when I took it out the packaging. I cannot wait to sleep on this tonight, because it feels so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link it down below. And if you're interested, click the link and purchase you some. They come in black, white, or gray. So also, the pockets are really deep on the side. Like I said, my mattress is really thick. So finding sheet sets that actually have a fitted sheet that fits the pockets and not roll up or have to be stretched really, really hard is sometimes hard to find. So I was pretty impressed when I put these on and saw that there was actually a little bit of extra room. So without further ado, let me show you the final result of the master closet. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video and liked my project. I am so happy that I was able to accomplish this all by myself. I did actually get to use my circular saw. It was not hard. It was a little intimidating at first, but it was not hard. So just saying that basically anyone can do this. All of my material either came from Ikea or Lowe's, and I stuck to my budget of $1,500. So if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.